Hello, Jarud. How are you? Hi, Echo. Welcome. How y'all doing? It's Barcode Kanojo time. Late a day, and tomorrow I might either be late or be delayed till Thursday. Cause got stuff's going on. Gotta help the fam with things. Good job, Echo, for doing all the bullshit that their really stupid roommate couldn't handle. It's okay, I have a girlfriend too. Don't worry, Jarud. I will do everything in my power to prohibit parasocial relationships from developing by giving absolutely zero fucks. And by crossing my legs when I really shouldn't. But it feels so good. Oh, it's okay, Jarud. We can still be weird parasocial friends. I'll parasocially friend zone you. Parasocial relationships are creepy as fuck. Boy howdy, if you were you, Flipsher. I don't know. Just all the... I don't know how to really think about it. I think some people try to look for things that aren't there, or they think they will into existence because they want it badly enough. But honey, that ain't how it works. Ow, why you throw tennis ball at me? My hands don't look weird where they are right now, do they? Ah! Alright, I have to... Actually, I think I might already be sending the stoofs. Way better than... You know the person way better than you actually do. I can't say I haven't... I think developing a parasocial relationship at some point in your life is inevitable. Or at least growing up. But, I think part of it is learning that it's not, ow, real. Thank you, Raz. I accept it. I accept it all. Jesus Christ, Raz. Gonna make me pee too? I disabled the hydrate cooldowns because I accept hydration into my life. Hydration is important. The box is my home. Don't take me out of there. Put me back in. I used to be a coward. Raz and Scath made me afraid of water, but I refuse to be scared anymore. Alright, 2 sippies. 3 sippies. Oh. Hi, Cuckoo Slam Girl. I'm drowning and having things being thrown at me by a square goblin. As I desperately try to dig through all the redeems to mark things as complete. Oh no! I did a lot of rearranging. Actually, I didn't do a lot. I did a little bit of rearranging today with the stream. I figured I'd finally distribute the things on top. You are the squarest goblin. No one else is squarer than you. Whew, I drank water too fast. Actually, I didn't drink water. I drank nitrogen coke. Oh my god, Echo, you deserve a nap. Nightbot, you were a little slow there. Oh my god, I got a burp coming. I needed to... Ah! Ah! Are you winning, Echo? How are you all doing today? Is this what they mean by bullying the streamer? I like how my little hair antenna sticks out the top of the box always. Where am I going? I need to go to like Kanojo interpreter or whatever that is. I am box mode. Put me back, I'm not finished. There's gonna be a new redeem for gaming streams where you can swap out my controllers on me and make me use weird controllers potentially. Where is it? Where is it? Ah, there. Pull me back. This is in the box. I'm upset about this. This isn't where I wanted to be. This isn't my box. This isn't my beautiful box. This isn't my beautiful cardboard cutout of a waifu. And I may ask myself, how did I get here? And the days go by, and the goblins underground. Let's see. Letting the days go by, goblins flowing underground. I don't remember any other words. Nah, flowing underground. Once in a lifetime. Goblins underground. Alright, where is the diddly dangle? Something in here lets me read a Kanojo. And I don't know which one it is. Oh, it's probably not in activity. Huh. Let's see here. Receiver? No. Core. Parser. Kanojo parser. Okay. We're in, gamers. We're hacking now. With this level of music, we're hacking. We're real hackers. Okay, here we are. Okay, so it's possession, consumption, recognition, and sexual. We're missing one. And it is flirtable. If you guessed flirtable, you may get a bingo. Good job. Watch as I can't spell. Set. Flirtable. Yeah. Yeah. I hope you all had a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. I had a fun time. A lot of relaxing, helping my family move. I watched the new Top Gun yesterday. That was pretty interesting. I'm not a big, I have mixed feelings on Tom Cruise. I like him as an actor. I don't like him as a person because of Scientology. Is that enough? I am like, my brain's switching topics as always, so forgive me. Alright, flirtable. Yes, flirtable, Raz. I think you have a very high flirtable level. I saw that. I see those outfits you put on. Damn, only a true flirtable champ could pull that off. Damn, he's cool. Damn, he's weird as fucking in a cult. Yeah! He's so cool, but he's weird as fucking in a cult. And every time he's on screen, I'm like, I just think to myself about the South Park episode about Scientology and how everything happened with Chef's actor. And I'm like, wow. That's some shit. He's the only one in the overlap. I mean, there was. If you watch South Park, the actor for Chef, he was converted to Scientology, and I think they eventually convinced him to walk out on the show, and then they eventually. I think he eventually died of like medical complications that the Scientologists told him not to go get treatment for, which is really sad. And I think the last episode that Chef was in, well, nothing wrong with being in your cult, Raz, but there are some lesser reputable cults out there. Would never insult the great Razes. Cult. I know words. Oh, but I really like the new Top Gun movie. There was a bunch of kids that sat next to me, and they were a little annoying, but at the same time, they were filled with such childish wonder about like the movie that it like balanced it out. They were just so just plane go fast. Guys, plane go fast. They were very sweet. And they were all so excited. and some stuff happened, and like they didn't understand the character scenes. So they were like in their kid brains trying to rationalize what's going on in like these like very character driven scenes, and they're just like they're like talking amongst themselves like, wait, is that guy, who's that guy? And they just didn't know. Do we have any? Is Affordable being transferred, or am I stupid? No, Affordable is still not being. Unless nobody has Affordable. But I doubt that. I think the chart came out pretty cute. I think it was simplifying this code, excuse me. I really like kids. I think they're wholesome little dipshits. Well, I updated the Kanojo parser. We're sending Affordable, right? Consumption, possession, recognition, sexual, Affordable. Where would it be? This so-called flirting. How do you do this? A so-called flirtability. I don't know. I spelled affordable right? Possession, consumption. No. I did not spell affordable right. One of you fucking Raz pointed it out and I didn't even notice because I'm stupid. Thank you, Raz. You've read about such a concept, but you've never experienced such a thing out of the field. Yeah, more research is needed. I totally updated this, I swear. Right? I did update that, right? Affordable. Gatorade, help me. 0. What the fuck? Am I so out of touch? I'm out of touch. I'm out of time. When you're not around. It's not even Thursday. Oh man, those kids in the movie theater though, they knew how to party. Kids will always be kids. Oh, I'm not doing that. Equals barcode in dot flirtable. Okay, there we go. I don't think barcode in has that. This flirting. Private and flirtable. Create getter. Create setter for flirtable. Nice. Nice. All right. I'm gonna put flirtable first, just cause. And nitrogen Pepsi relieves a really weird taste in my mouth. We're flirting it up, guys. Flirt up. Bow, bow, bow. All right, that should handle it, I think. It's just, I'm gonna clean it up a little so I can make sure. And I think it's good. Hello. Can't really give a solid recommendation to the nitrogen Pepsi. It just doesn't really taste like good. It's not bad, but it's not great. You know? It's like almost like you're drinking a flat cola. Not a fan, honestly. You're not interested in solid soda? Liquid, nitrogen infused Pepsi. It kind of just tastes flat to me. It tastes like flat cola. Like, it is not. It's really sweet, and it's. I mean, maybe it's a little bit creamy, but not enough where I'm like, oh, give me that shit. I bought it because I needed something to mix my whiskey into. Hello, Doohoo-hoo. World's cutest goblin is failing to understand how flirting works. Also, that's one too many spines there. There shouldn't be that many. I thought I made it so there would only be 5. That one's right. What the heck? Oh, you know what it probably is? Barcode parser. Yep, I was right. When you're a research playing gifts and have answer arbitrary questions correctly to flirt. Oh yeah, that sounds right to me. You know, I think we're gonna have to ask a girl. I know, it's scary shit. I mean, I know I am one, but if I don't know, then we're screwed. Alright, is there any other fucking flirtables? What else could possibly have flirtable, though? The barcode, yeah, I get that, but... Alright, I'll look at product, maybe. Price, I don't even think that's a field I fill out or have available. As many as it takes, Giroud, that's how many. No, I mean, fucking Raz. You both have the same name on my color name on my screen, and my brain auto-corrects. I'm sorry. As many as it takes, Raz. As many as it fucking takes. Alright, alright. This has gotta be it, though. I'm convinced. I'm convinced. I mean, unless... Maybe I should start adding breakpoints. Because at this point, I'm running out of ideas. Okay. Well, add the breakpoint there. Okay, yeah. Alright, so we got affordable, affordable, affordable. Where else could we be missing affordable from? I'll find out what you do. Right, okay. I didn't, like, misspell it again somewhere, did I? Raz, did I misspell it again? Okay. We'll run it with debug on. See how that works. Terminated. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Alright, we don't need you anymore to be a debug point. Alright, let's see. Moment of truth. And the last value is just 0. Huh. But why didn't we get the... Maybe the server really isn't sending it. Let's look at sexual here. What are you supposed to be? Right next to affordable. Why it like that? Default Kanojo. Alright, sexual recognition consumption. Queer. Okay, so I think on this line there should be flirtable. I see possession. I don't think flirtable's there. I guess we literally weren't sending the data, so we're now flirting in style, according to computer science. Alright, but I have to upload the code to the Suavoy. That was not the right command. That was the exit command. Okay, sudo vim var slash something Kanojo Kanojo.py. Real human being. Let's see here. This is the code that's on the server right now. Should be a big ol' list of all the things. Aha! Let me just make it so. I have to go all the way to the end of the line with the arrow key. Boring. Flirt bubble. Right. Quit. Sudo system ctl restart Apache 2. And with that, the code should be updated and nothing should go wrong. Nothing at all. I think something went wrong. Or not. Pick a god and pray. Look, the flirtable! But then sexual is not there. Maybe... Wait. Enhance. Enhance. Scotty, enhance that image. It's not 0. I think it might be... Yeah, I think we did it. I think we did it. I think we got flirtable working. For a second there, I thought we almost didn't. Damn. Now we just got a bunch of cleanup to do. And figure out why... So, argan oil isn't flirtable? Is that what I'm taking away from this? Dude, she's like one of the top Kanojos. Also, why are there so many little webs there? They're only supposed to be 5. Well, it's not just argan oil that it's like that for. Part of me thinks that it's just not customizable as heavily as I'd like it to be. Interesting graph. Alright, let's I'm gonna have, I think I'm going to add translations. Or set up the framework for translations, I should say. If there aren't already established translations for it, I'll add the framework to allow such things. There was one guy early on that was apparently a Spanish language translator, and I was really hoping he might contribute to the project, but I think he was just looking to see if we would, or I guess if I would hire him for the project. And I'm like, dude, I am fucking getting paid for this thing. Why am I paying you? If you want Barcode Kanojo in Spanish, nothing's stopping you from doing it yourself. I will gladly accept that merge request. Okay, so no, I need to go examples, asset recovery. Oh yeah, that's right. I found this recently. Kanojo concept art. Major fancy. Big fancy shit. Apparently the Tumblr is still up for Barcode Kanojo, and there was a lot of shit in there. Including this. Would you like to buy your Kanojo on a t-shirt? There's another picture. I wonder if I can get, if there's some like t-shirt store that just has an API that I can like, oh yeah, here's the image, do whatever you want with it. I will literally just be looking at this shit for ages. Let's see here. What was I looking for again? Oh yeah. Kanojo room, radar. Was it her? Yes. Okay, so we have a few things here that are a little different. And honestly, I don't even know if these things matter. So, I'm just gonna add translations to them. And then the translations will be these 5. Easy peas. So what we gotta do is we gotta go go down to the res values strings open editor. Huh. I see. Well, let's start with if there's a celebrity. That's a lot of cancels. I don't think there's a celebrity anywhere. And then we'll call that recognition. Let's see. I think I might just need to code this by hand. Why so many okay? And not have any okay? It's always bugged me that there's so many like identical things, and no matter like the language, it's always the same thing. Okay, well, that's fine. Okay, key. The key is recognition. The value is celebrity. Wow, this text is huge. Guess it's supposed to be this big. Is there like a setting I fucked up? Hmm. 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 I don't know. Well, tab size should always be 4, and if it isn't on 4 on something, I'm gonna stab something. Alright, with shell script, I'll make an exception, and I don't even know what a YAML is. Man, I don't know. This is fucking huge. So we got user account login password and user account password. What would the difference be between these two? Why would this be different? One of them's all in English no matter what. I don't... What, they just think English is cool? Barcode scanner V. And more password. And it's like the same fucking thing as right there, probably. My brain don't have no wrinkles for this. Alright, we're looking for celebrity. Alright, wait. Or are we looking for recognition? LMNOPQRSTUV. I know some my ABCs. Fuck you. I'm gonna just make this stat recognition. And then stat, it is Litchi and Kenshi. You took annual leave today. Ooh. I don't know what that means. Enlighten me, oh wise one from down under. How are you both doing? Oh, it's time off that you are cured as you were. Oh. Interesting. They just give me a set amount that I can use every year. I feel like it's probably something similar to what I have, but probably set up a lot better. My work's kind of getting ugly lately. It's like requiring that everyone either be of a certain fitness or be going to fitness programs. Otherwise, they will be taking an additional $50 out of your paycheck for your healthcare. Big ugly. Not a fan. Based on time you've worked. I don't know. They're like, our waist size, our BMI must meet something, or I kind of like that system. Like, based on how much you work determines how much you get. They don't even. There's like, they won't tell us how much time we have. That's what bugs me. Jealousy. Stat consumption. Yeah, my waist has to meet a certain requirement, I guess. That's about right, I think. 200. They don't tell us how much we take, though. That always bugs me. They're like, oh yeah, it says unlimited in our system. And I'm like, well, if it's not unlimited, why is it there? Oh, I'm taking my socks off. My feet feel stuffy. No, no peanut sitting. I thought maybe, perhaps, nut cam. Oh yeah. I didn't advertise it, but we got new commands. I should add them. I think this I put on my yeah. There's any statement about how much leave you have? Oh my god. Fair enough, fair enough. Dedication. Aha! Dedication. Yeah. Yeah, the only transparent time we have is jury duty, bereavement, and sick time. And maternity, I think. Actually, I don't even know if we have maternity. Now that I'm thinking about it. Big banks tend to be... Wait a minute, is that affordable off the chart? That affordable is off the chart. I must have done something wrong. Dedication. So next one is sexual. And the translation for that is easy, because it's sexual. And then the last one is flirtable. The famous flirtable. So, Kenshi, how high do you think your flirtable stat is? It's affordable. That's it. That is the parameter. On a scale of 1 to 10. %. I agree with that. Nah. 100. I'll give you a solid 100. 10? No. That's what I thought. Alright, time to clean up the, if I didn't already. I might have already. Alright, I got this radar chart update. Nash. Do I have something that says stats already? I do actually. All right. Stats. Wait a minute. Didn't that have a bunch of translations? Well, if I look at the Chinese and then look for something in English, I'll find out pretty quick, I'd imagine. There's no stats, but I can't help but feel like it had more there. What? They should really have like a filter thing here. It was dashboard stats. A, B, C, D. Yeah, okay, so I'm not crazy. Alright. If you were Barcode Quinojo, your forte, it would be like this. It would be off the charts. You make a very interesting case, Mocha. I'm gonna have to use you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She has the right number of things. I don't. So, if I rename this, it resets the value for all of those. Huh. I see. But perhaps, what if I don't know. I did something like this. Quite evil of me if I do think so myself. Alright, now I can go run on over here. Go to get string r.id. No, wait, it's r.string dot stats. There. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Except there's probably something now in the code that refers to dashboard. Actually, couldn't I have done that? I'm sure there are ways I could have gotten around that. Oh well. Get string r dot string dot stat. What was the first one? Recognition. Bam. Resource linking failed. Well, why don't you tell me where that is? Instead of being a little bitch about it. I smell bitch. Oh, ish peanut. He's staring at shit. What are you looking at, little boy? My sweet little son. Full of innocent wonders. Smallest peanut. What dare you to do? Let's see. We did a lot of shit here. What other control shift F I did? That isn't a... Not sure if that's a thing I should touch. Hello, Peanut. How are you? App source main. Res values public. Radius in meters. I have the boy. Hello, boy. How are you? Are you a baby? You looking and sounding mighty baby. Did I turn the AC back on after I closed the door? Huh? Do you know? 'Cause I'm feeling a little hot. Let me check. Ah, the fool I am. I did not turn the AC back on after I closed the windows. Which means I was gonna get hot eventually, and I would have woken up in a very, very, very sweaty state when I went to bed tonight. Alright, let's look at plastic here. As I turned the labels back on, right? What the fuck? I have numerous questions. Like, what the fuck? Primarily among them? I don't know what's up with this thing. Okay, whatever. Can I set the... Disable access -1. I thought I set like a limit to like 5 or something. Set access line width. Set draw access line. Yeah. Set the number of label entries. Set the number. Be aware that this number is not fixed. Enable will be forced, meaning that the exact specified count of labels will be drawn and evenly distributed. This may cause labels to have uneven values. Five true. Let's try running that again, see what happens. #1 Goblin on the internet. Oh my god, you have no idea how much that means that you would say that to me. How are you, Claudette? One, two, three, four, five. Okay, well, I mean, let's make that 6. Although it didn't limit it to 80, I will admit that. How is Claudette doing? Lactose, you know it. I'm full of it. I wish I was. I love milk. I miss milk. One, two, three, four, 5. But now it's actually being limited to 80. Is that what I'm understanding? Goujer has -4. Alright, let's try some there. Doing better. Your Twitch account is no longer at risk of being destroyed. Was it at risk of being destroyed? What happened? What happened there, Claudette? That's a little alarming. One too many timeout redeems, or for changing the emails, you misspelled the name of your. Oh no! Yeah, you wanna have your emails the right name. That will bite you in the ass if you're not careful. I sent you was going to be the wrong. Oh no. Well, shit my dick hole. Or bless the revert button. Yeah, for real. I think I got this working. When I first made my Minecraft account, back in like beta something, I typed in PEC at the end of my email by mistake, and there wasn't like a verify your email at that time, and there wasn't a confirm your email. So it just sort of stuck until it came time to move to like a Mojang account or whatever from a Minecraft account. And then they were like, well, you have to verify with your old email, right? Well, my email was my right email, but it ended in PEC in addition to the .com, so this is like .com pec. That didn't work, so yeah, I had to contact support and then they fixed it for me. Thank God, I was so worried they wouldn't. Huh, I think I fixed like the big issue with the graphs. Fascinating. Huh. Big issue solved. That's what we're doing. Solving big fat titty issues. Self-love. I love that. Even though I really sometimes struggle to convey what I'm trying to say out loud, I think I've been getting better lately at pausing and just really thinking about what I'm trying to say and then saying it. Dealing with my ADHD jumping at 1,000,000 topics per minute. That's my self-love. I'm better at handling that, I think. Okay, 1-to-1 pixel. Thank you for redeeming self-love, Claudette. Thank you for the breath, Claudette. Oh, hey, my box is back. Eventually, I'm gonna have to check off all those redeems. Hopefully no mods are in chat and queer the redeem things. Hint, hint, wink, wink. By the way, you can now see how many times I've burped. And anyone who's a VIP and higher can increment it whenever I burp, because I trust you guys to count my burps. Maybe I'll add a fart one, who knows. The greatest command, and it truly is. I totally didn't steal it from anybody, the idea from anyone. Sweats while looking at Jarud. Yeah, it was from Lynn Mamechi's. Lynn Mamechi had the burp counter, and I thought, that's such a good idea. I should do that. Except I don't think Twitch likes farts. Twitch tends to not like that stuff now. Alright, where is this being used? Nope. Huh. What about the old radar view? I thought the Twitch FBI agent got tired of having to watch people fart. There was something with that though. Unfortunately. I don't know all the details, but from my understanding, there was some fart fetish ring going around on Twitch. It was like some established underground meta to do like fart ASMR. And rumor has it the Twitch popo found out and was like, what the fuck is this shit? And put a stop to it. Thank fucking God. But in the process, they also banned the word fart. But apparently, Mike is a joke and got banned for it. That's all I heard. I also I heard from Ignalis, I believe, that the country culturally in India, which is a very large part of the world, Farts are viewed as like extremely rude, like absolutely deplorable taboo behavior to fart in front of someone or have someone hear it, smell it, even to mention it is just the bottom of the barrel disgusting. So draw to up. I don't even, but I don't think I can change the size of those labels. So they from what I hear, it might be that automated or not automated, what am I saying? There may be India people working at Twitch that might have pushed for such things to be blocked or treated as a swear word. Which, if you're ever getting annoyed by someone from India on your phone, for whatever reason, mention farts and they will hang up. Or fart into your microphone. Real life hacks right there. At this point, I am just like, farts are just part of life. I think I used to be a lot more like, I don't know, everyone fucking farts, but at the same time, like, I'm lactose intolerant and I was in very much denial of it for a very long time, and I think that most of my family is probably lactose intolerant and they just don't understand that that's the reason their farts are so fucking rancid. As unfortunate as that is, there ain't no lactase in that gut no more. But farting into the mic doesn't surprise me. As a bannable thing. Oh, set text size. Didn't think about that. Is there a minimum size? Minimum 6F. If I set that to 6F, will it give me space? Magically? Please? We were talking something about farts. Oh yeah, I think I've seen people, I've heard through the grapevine, people have even gotten soft, like banned or like warnings for drawing feet too good. It's like it's a weird, I don't know how to quite put it into words. It's like a weird balancing act. 'Cause, excuse me, no matter what it is, I don't know if it's confirmed real or not, but I heard that they might get on your case if you're drawing feet a little too well, because it could be then classified as pornographic for those who are interested in feet. And I think that's kind of where the fart into the mic is also Like, is the intent to be somewhat... Is the intent of the action meant for arousal? If the answer is yes, then Twitch does not want that. From my understanding, that is how it works. But like at the same time, you got a bunch of bikini streamers and girls just sit with their tits and ass out. So I don't fucking know. I really don't know. But I will tell you one thing. Era ain't banned. Ara, Claudette. Ara. I'm not intending to arouse you there. I'm just think it's fucking hilarious. I think it's a funny fucking meme. And I think I say it well. Ara. I'll murder Diz with that somehow. I don't think I need this block of code anymore. Did I already get rid of like the old radar use shit? I think I did. Well, wait a minute. If that's true... Oh wait, my private interclass is never used. Oh. Huh. What do you know? Comment that out. Shouldn't that... Oh. What does a synthetic mean? I just fart on it. There. Problem solved. Mm-hmm. I don't know what that was. Nice app. Thank you. I work hard on it. Welcome, welcome. Joe Wow. I probably butchered that and I apologize. Aha! Radar web view. Okay, how many instances of that string? Oh, we got quite a bit. Gotta clean up some shit. Let's see if... So, get URL web view, execute. Mouse load URL. Well, we don't need to worry about that. None. What are you? Or get radar web view stuff. I don't think I need this anymore. Amazing what you do when you can do when you don't use web views and you just use shit that works. I like my app, you go to day cute girls. Yeah, I don't think there's any need for a loading bar up there. Because everything should just be loaded in. So... Ugh. It's like scary to delete that much code. Alright, let's build it, see what broke. That's right, gobble bopping and gobble lagging because we're building. Alright. Updating a lot of old Android code. No, I don't think it's actually my tracking software. I think it's what lets you throw shit at me. I don't think it's as well optimized. Did I click run or did I click the other thing? Dope, super lit. Oh, you swear there's no greater anxiety. You'll have to jump over something and forget this. If landing down. What behind it? A good idea. Jumped over the couch, looked down and saw my sister's dog. Oh no! Nothing is worse than like realizing that you're like stepping on like an animal or something and then like the panic like weight shift like almost half step like you're trying not to put pressure on this small creature. Like when Peanut jumps out in front of my legs and I'm just like because you don't want to fall. You certainly don't want to put pressure on this thing. And it becomes a very not good situation. As long as Pupper's okay, that's what's important. Say either 200 pounds goes on the dog or 200 pounds goes on the edge of the table. Ooh. Maybe you could split it so it's like only 100 on each. Preferably like maybe no more than 20 on the dog. 10 best at best. Why is it checking for... I don't think we need this check here. What's the alternative? Else. Well, we're not downloading any parts from the server anymore. Because we can't. So oh well. I get random redeems. For every redeem you guys have to throw something at me or have something fall on my head, me and my mods get redeems to do that for free. Or we could just refund you. But maybe I want something thrown at my face. What do you know? You can't stop me. Maybe I like fish thrown at my face. Okay, this thing right here. Let's just no chart data available. What about you? Alright, well, we don't need a progress bar for the radar view anymore. Because it's just gonna be there. You know? My computer struggles with programming and streaming at the same time. I wonder. What is there anything in particular I could terminate? Oh. Ain't gonna do me much. Well, that didn't do me shit. I don't know. Diva's only using about 6%. It's mostly just VC face, I think. Man, no matter what, I'm fucked. Doomed. In progress bar. You're my target. Well. New intent, what? This is Java, right? Why would that be there? I'm just making a new intent for the fuck of it. maybe Jadex didn't decompile that correctly. Result code. I will deal with that later. Huh. I thought I saw something. I thought the background's supposed to move with the gyro and whatnot, but it never has. Of course, I mean, it's a stationary emulator, so it's not gonna give me much in the way of that, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to add like a location determinator or something. Send Kanojos to school. Get learned. All right. With the completion of nice. With the completion of this, async tasks. Fuck off. I don't care if they're deprecated. I think I should work on one of the most looked forward to changes. Stealing. Once I get stealing working, the whole game is gonna change. Because it will no longer be the safety of scanning your waifus. It will be all-out war. Oh boy. Shit gonna get nuts. Question is how to do it. I've been thinking of a couple different. So, okay, let me explain. Hold now, sit back and grab some popcorn because this could be a long one. Probably not, but I like to say that anyway because it sounds funny. What's this doing? I don't even fucking know. All right, listen up and listen well. So each Kanojo is unique to a barcode, right? Well, said barcodes are unique to products. and you can only scan only one waifu exists per barcode, no matter who's playing on the server. So currently, right now, the first person to scan the barcode gets the waifu. And you get that in your Kanojos. If someone else scans it, they're just friends. You get friend zoned. But in the original, and what I'm now going to start working towards, you used to take these from just friends to your Kanojos by interacting with them enough. So you would steal them from someone else. So, that is what I'm going to enable. So, and then the end goal, I guess, is that you're gonna use your B coins and tickets to buy a wedding ring. And with that wedding ring, you permanently bind a Kanojo to your account. So, yours forever. I'm gonna sneeze. Yeah. There's no sneeze counter. Oh, your fears and reasons to avoid commitment in a video game. And currently, the only way to really interact with them is you give them head pats, you can give them a kiss, you can just fuck around with them and stuff. So I gotta figure out how I want to do all that. My thought is I have to look at, I'm going to try to color code it. Because under the drawables, right, there is like progress bar stuff. Actually, I should probably commit my current changes, since I know that's all good, right? So committing, actually, why don't we just go over here. What's up, chat? I'm gonna commit code. And committing code will show things that I don't want to show normally, because it would be bad if you saw it. Let's see here. So I will make this comment. And we can chat while I do it. What's up, chat? I know I'm not always the best with chatting, chat, but I always appreciate you guys sticking around. I'm gonna go through all my code here. Review the code as it was, as it were. Da, 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 da. Lot of bullshit in here. Huh. Huh. Okay. Um, let's see. All right, that works. I refactored Kanojo into a Kotlin file, so that will require me to have a lot of just import changes, since all my Kotlin files are under com.Goujer instead of the original Cyber directory, since I essentially rewrote them in a way. Some of them are converted, but even if I convert them, I will heavily rewrite them. The Kanoja room activity, that has a lot of changes. That was the primary change point of this, I would say. Oh god, for real it was. Oh, I was still using a switch statement in there. I'm not supposed to be using that anymore. I think the new Android Gradle version or something, it doesn't work with switch statements with finding IDs on click. So not good to do. Got rid of that file set. The whether or not there's file space check, because we no longer need to worry about that. Let's see. I changed some. Hey, Litchi. What? Oh, ah, ah. Some of this code makes sense. Good job. Thank you, honey. I appreciate it immensely. Maybe I should release this as a version update. Might be an idea since it's technically stable. It's only a small update though. Maybe the throw should cost more? Nah. Nah. Don't wanna. You can throw all the shit you want at me. Who knows? Maybe I even enjoy it a little. Kanojo pair. I'm looking through all my changes. Replaced all that with radar V charts and whatnot. I can't show you any of this because I have a tendency to click through things that might reveal like passwords for the signing keys. And the last thing I need is that being out and about. I mean, you shouldn't. I don't want to risk showing the passwords. As it is, I like almost barrel. I'm like constantly like in the struggle of almost like just sending the file that has them to GitHub, and I'm like, ugh. All right. Radar chart added to Kanojo room. Are you excited for stealing, Litchi? That's my next. That's the next goal. The next flippin' goal. All right, pushing. All right, let's look at the server. I only changed the one thing. All right, send Kanojo affordable stat to apps. Affordable added to allowed keys. And I can't spell affordable as always. All right, there we go. Kanojo app and Kanojo server both have updates. Okay, let's see. I think I will actually just make a build for this. I know I'm not showing much, and I apologize for that, everybody, but I gotta... I'm glad you're all just keeping me company. GitHub. Kanojo app. What was my last released? 0.3.1 password update 2. All right, sounds like a plan. All right, let's see here. Where are we? 0.3.1, we'll make that 0.3.2. I'm playing with my Crocs. Maybe I should add a new redeem for clearing out the all the throwable redeems. Make that cost like a crap ton. That'd be kind of fun, actually. At least I think. Okay, let's see here. Are we ready to release? Ouch, you're rude. Thank you for the fish, Jarud. I shall feed my village for another week. Okay. Gonna build this motherfucker. And then everyone will have access to... Are we ready for a beta yet? I think, like, after I get stealing done, then I can open it up to an open beta. I mean, it's not like I've been keeping the instructions on how to... If you watch my streams, you could probably figure out how to run the game. Even if you're not in the beta, I mean alpha right now. Okay, so all of the things check out. Generate signed APK. No more Kanojo. What do you mean no more Kanojo? I might be moving it from alpha to beta, an open beta. Babe, I would never get rid of Kanojo. I haven't worked too hard on it. But I will enable stealing soon. So keep an eye on Mia Fey, because I know you like her. It's because I'm going through stuff that might... Yeah, wakes up tomorrow and gets rid of it. No, I'm going through things that have like passwords that are showing for signing the applications, and if those passwords get out, then other people could release impersonator updates that could contain malicious code that I did not approve. It's more of a security thing. Okay, let's see. Release. Dope, super lit. Look at me wagging. Oh god, the builds! No! My frames! Where am I? Ah, the Kanojo, it's siphoning my computer power from me. Computer Goblin is gonna melt. Streamer hates you and does. No, Jarud, I'll let you hack. You're special. You could always try slipping malicious code in a merge request and seeing if I notice. Always an option. Probably would be how I would do it. Just fork me on GitHub, Jarud. Fork me hard. I'm sorry. I meant to make that sound lewd, but I meant that more as a funny thing. You get it? 'Cause fork sounds like fuck. Ain't I a comedic genius? I'm totally not the fucking maturity of a middle schooler. But the actual term is forking. Why is it forking and not branching? Or maybe it's both. You fork a new branch, but wouldn't the action of creating a new branch from something else be branching? Not forking? But it is like forking like a fork though. My favorite term is killing a child. Oh my god. Damn, this build is fucking taking its time. I do not know why it hate me. Machine learning assisted completion. Completion suggestions are now based on machine. What the fuck are you saying to me right now? Compiler? What the fuck? Errors while building APK. You may see errors. Okay. I think I'm good to show again. It says that there were errors when building the APK. That ain't good. Failure while commuting with an internal lint. Well, what the frick is it a problem? What's your issue? Why you fail? Ah, you showed me your screen. Rookie move. I've already pushed my malicious code. Smell. Oh no, you've hacked everything, Giroud. Preference managers, unnecessary non-null assertion. Get drawable. Drawable is deprecated. Deprecated in Java. Unchecked cast is never. These are all just warnings, though. They're nothing error. And they're all things that I go, I'll get to later. I have to make sure Peanut's not getting onto the bookshelf again. Because I put seashells up there and he plays with them. No, he's just eating and staring at me menacingly. Ah. Ah. All right. Give me a stack trace, baby. Why don't you want to build? I needed that. Hope rubber duck debug. Rubber duck debugging is very real, children. It's Peanut. He's entered the room. Peanut has entered the room and is about to do the most heinous of acts. Truly criminal doings. Peanut, hello. Welcome. Have you come to lay in my lap? Stretchy boy. Are you my stretchy boy? Hmm. You little baby. Are you the little baby? Are you my little baby boy? Yeah. I'm giving you the snuggles. Did you go to the bathroom just now? I think you did. Stinky. Are you stinky? Are you my little stinky? Yeah? Are you baby? Mongo baby? He's farting. Oh no. Peanut, how could you? You farted on me. You're just a baby, just a little baby boy. Hello, little mister. Are you my little big man? Oh, the build finished. Oh wait, it says build successfully. What happened? I have a theory, but I hope it's not that. Alright, let's try it again. Yeah. Most of the build should have been cached though, so hopefully it won't take as long. Are you farting? Baby man? Yeah. I need to get like a little model that tracks Peanut. His little peanut face. What do you think about that, Peanut, huh? Let's invent the technology for cat VTubing. It just worked. Okay. Maybe Giroud really did hack us. Giroud, did you actually hack Peanut emote when? Oh my god. So true. So true. So right. You're so right. When are we gonna make an emote of you, Peanut? I could fix this right now. Maybe. There he is. Peanut Cam online. Look at him. Oh, the baby man. It's my next emote, Peanut. Okay, well, don't judge me by how many tabs I have open. Actually, this is less than I normally have. Releases. I'm gonna use that as a template. Draft new release. Version 0.3.2 radar update. Then what we do is we just go over here and boop boop major changes. What, how should we write this patch log? There's only really one change. Kanojo room radar stats have been restored with an on-device the on-device graphing library. Maybe not on-device. With a included graphing library. Bug fixes. I don't think I fixed any bugs. Behind the scenes changes. Significant reduction in Kanojo room code. Design, and it will be designed for server version 0.3.4. Okie dokie, that will do it. Oh, I have to make a tag. There we go. Publish branch. Okay, and then what we do, Kanojo server releases draft new release version 0.3.4 portable update. Server will now send portable data with Kanojo. That's about all. Auto-generate release notes. Ooh. Select a valid tag to automatically add the markdown for all merged pull requests. This diff and contributors to this. Wow. That's a good idea. Oh, wait. Designed for app version. And what was the app version that I just released? Hey, it's Merc. How's it going, Merc? How you is? Zero point 3.2. I'm publishing a new update for Barcode Kanojo, the flirtable update. Oh, look at that peanut sleeping away. Not a care in the world. So precious. I love him. It's a Merc, y'all. Merc, how you doing? Answer me. I'm gonna... No one else will, I will. Yeah. All right. It's Thoxa. Oh my god, no problem. Thoxa, it was so fun watching you play Portal, and I'm sorry I kind of dipped out after it. My work got a little more busy. Portal is a very good game, and I hope you continue to play more of the Portal games. Or Half-Life. Or Half-Life 2. Man, everyone's showing up now. We got Merc and we got Thoxa. And I just released a new update for Barcode Kanojo. I saw your fucking car. It was pretty fucking cool. I liked it. The colors were very you. Peak Thoxa aesthetic. Let me see here. Alright, I don't need that open anymore. Probably should have tested to make sure that that app version actually installed correctly. Let me see. Doop-a-doop-a-doo. The Lotus is sick. Oh, nice. Oh, you got a got a Land Rover for the MILF mobile. Fuck yeah. Gotta be picking them MILFs up. I just typed in MILF mobile instead of GitHub into my phone. Pokemon Unite. Pokemon League. Alright, radar update. Let's see if I can install this. Update this app? Yes. App installed. Open. Let's see if my... Oh, there it fucking is. Yes. I've done it. Yeah. Look at that fucking graph. You ain't seen a graph like that before. That reminds me that gray is a little too dark for my taste. And I wanted to lighten it. Oh well, I'll lighten it now. Why not? Progress thread. You need to figure out how to scan cuties. Are you having trouble? If you have trouble, please let me know. It helps me find out what's wrong with the damn thing. Because every phone kind of treats it a little differently, and I neglect to test on my variety of devices. Graphs. If anyone here wants, for the most part, wants access to the alpha, just let me know. And I will let you in. Where am I setting the color? 7F is half, so it is a phone game for Android. Maybe I'll just try like something a little more white, so like 8F. Sort of what feels right. Doxa! Thank you for subscribing. You don't have to do that. Thank you so much. Why you apologize? What are you apologizing for? I don't know to apologize for. Begone ads, hello emotes. That's true. I'm sorry for anyone who gets the ads. That I keep forgetting to run an ad before I like completely start my stream. They say it's a good habit, but I always forget. And honestly, it's not that big of a deal. Why am I lagging out? It's because I'm building. Fuck. Oh, maybe I need to... I'm gonna... Okay, we'll get this over with now. Because this is really... It's bugging the frick out of me. It's even pausing the music. It's getting so bad. So... Alright, everyone. Are you all ready? Why are you a VIP? Because you're a VIP. What are you talking about? Local streamer wants non-common. Wants common non-sub plebs to endure ads more at 11. Hey, them 30 cents. They add up. 30 seconds an hour ain't that bad. Let's be real. Alright. Are you all ready? I'm about to smack myself with all your redeems. Lovely. As I am now going to disable said redeems for now because Tifa is struggling my computer. Gotta grind for that dollar bill, you know it. Alright, here's what I do. Bloop, bloop. You like new Pokemon Go with snacks in my cabinet. Bruh, do it, Thoxa, please. I beg you. I'm begging you. What am I looking for? Oh, I have to close Tifa because I need that 10% of my CPU back. And then I need to go copy filters, paste filters, filters, disable filters. Fascinate. I'm invisible. And now I'm not. All right. We got 10% of my CPU back. We have all the power we need. Let's take a look at how that coloring came out. I like that a lot better actually. Just a little bit lighter. Maybe I'll throw it another 16 points higher. Bring it up to 9F. Two plus 2 is 10 in base 4 apparently. Actually, that makes perfect sense. That was what I took away most from your stream, Thoxa. 2 plus 2 in base 4 is 10. Oh, GLaDOS says that. Which is true, actually. In base 4, it would be 10. But the number 4 also wouldn't exist in base 4. That's weird to think about. We don't... The number 10 is two numbers, 1 and 0. There is no single number that represents 10 in base 10. But in hexadecimal, 10 is A. Hexadecimal is base 16. I always wondered, why don't we do, we have like base 16 numbering for computers and shit, right? That's fine and dandy. Why don't we ever do base 32? You do not know how to download this. All right. I will send you a link. That is not the link that I just copied. Hold on. Okay, I show you. You. All right. So, I'll post this in the chat. On this page right here, there's this part called assets on your phone. It should be about the same. Let me. It didn't like that. Is there any way for me to impersonate a phone? All right, so on your phone, it might look like this, right? Under assets, there's this app-release.apk. You want to download that. And then you want to open it. If you can't install it, you're going to need to enable unknown sources being allowed for installation. And I will send an article on how to do that. Not Firefox, you're probably using Chrome on your phone. So let me know if it says that you need to allow it. You might say it doesn't want to install it, but then you install it anyway. Then I can launch it on this one. So we could follow, I can follow along with you. Okay, so you need to go to server settings, yes. Damn, I'm showing everyone how to do this. If anyone else in chat feels like following along too, that would be, feel free. All right, so for server settings, what you want to do is you want the server URL to be this. And you want the port to be this. 443. And then HTTPS should be a switch. It might also not look like a switch. It might be a really tiny little thing that says off. And in that case, you want it to be on. So once that is done, I think you're free to hit back. I think this thing's gonna time out and then I can show as well. My nails are too long. If you got the back to go back and it says no user found, you can go to the sign up. Show little button again. It should be set up on top. Okay, I can server server configuration. Or wait, server configuration. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, okay, so we got to the sign up. That should be self-explanatory, I'm hoping. Don't worry, don't worry. Okay, good, you timed out. Fuck. See, okay. Use HTTPS on kanojo.goujer.com. Port 443. Back. User not found. Sign up. Name. Throw in anything you want in there. That might not work. If it doesn't, I'll scream. Then after that, it should log you right in. If not, let me know and I'll have a gander. What? That's the right username and password, I swear to God. Huh. Wow. Fascinating shit. Let me know if you logged in successfully. It's not letting you enter a password. Okay then. Well, it's a good thing we're going through this together. Okay, let's see here. This is on the sign up, right? Don't go anywhere if that's the case. Okay, let's go back to that emulator. That API 19. It's always good to have more testers so we can figure out bugs, especially password related ones. Cause oh boy howdy have there been password related bugs, cause the way it did passwords originally was all plain text. And plain text is not a good way to store your passwords. In fact, it's kind of like the opposite of how user generated. Let's go with there. When you finish and set a password. Okay, give me a moment then. I'm gonna check if the database successfully created you. Apparently, the emulator just crashed. Okay. What name did you use? Thoxa? Let's see here. ID 40. Wow, that's quite the email. Your username at Gmail. Okay. Well, it's certainly not the one I'm looking at. They have a very vulgar username. Damn, is that a like? Oh, those are likes. Okay. You tried to pick an icon, crashed it a couple times too. Huh. Yeah, maybe don't touch the icon then. Shit, I thought I fixed all that. Yeah, there's no Thoxa that was created in the database. Huh. Okay, so there's no Thoxa there. Why don't I try making one? Let's say, Dragon 3. Prompted you to clear the cache. Why are you crashing now? Okay, alright, I see what's going on here. I think what I have to do here is... No, you didn't. You're helping, actually. Because you're pointing me in the direction of where there are bugs. Because what it appears to be here is that I was kind of anticipating that there would always be a password, when of course that's not true. So I did not handle that. which is very important to handle, because if you have not signed up yet, you have not why, thank you. I do not. Sebhas, thank you for the follow. We might have 2 updates today. Thank you. Thank you so much for the follow, Sebhas. I hope you're having an excellent night. Welcome to the Cyber Goblin community. Alright, let's try running that again, see what happens. I got the database up on another monitor, so... Yes, terminate the app. User not found, sign up. Okay. Dragon 3. We're not gonna set a birthday. Actually, fine, sure. Actually, I think it might actually get pissed at me if I'm less than 13. Limoncello, fuck yeah. Email, I'm gonna do this. Is this what happened to you, Thoke? So when you tried entering a password? Start change password activity. Put new current password. Suck a dick 69. Ooh. If email equal it says unfortunately Barcode Kanojo has stopped when I clicked on the password. This cast will never succeed. Good to know. Can I just what's your issue? Doesn't like me. Well, I'm definitely finding bugs. So we're going somewhere. If I would have made it there, then the user email would have been null. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Thoxa. This is really helpful, actually. Sign up. Oh, wait. Oh, it didn't terminate. It still was rebuilding. Okay. User not found. Sign up. Password. Did you get this far? You needed to feel useful? Oh, well, don't worry. You're plenty useful. I always like it when someone goes, oh, hey, shit ain't working. In a way that I understand, I guess. Sometimes there's bugs that it's like, I'm not sure if that's just like because the database is so fucked up. I don't think you're gonna be able to do it on that app, folks. So I think the current version that's out there just will not allow you to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna use an identical email and make sure that it will freaking yell at me. It still fucks up the rotation of the big bitch. Still messes up the rotation of the when you got to the password bar. All right, user register. Nothing was registered. What the hell? Nothing got registered. What the hell? This was working. I probably think I fucked it up. Expected parsable, what was given string? There was an error here. Or what? Look, it's key at current password. Expected parsable. Why would it be parsable? Oh, wait a minute here. A password is a password. Shit. No password dot. Okay, we're gonna go to decorations or usages. I am trying very hard. Empty password. And I'm overclocking this brain cell. Password. Okay, she's trying so hard for your lesbian urges, Goblin. I will let you date waifus. And then, as soon as I fix this, we'll have stealing. That's my next plan. The phrase lesbian urges was just fucking shattered my brain cell. Alright, empty password. Alright, you'll have an harem out of all your Oreo purchases. Fuck yeah. Somebody call Gob. You know, I should... Girls are pretty, I admit. Girls? Not bad. Pretty good. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. If hashed password equals blank. Well, actually, all I have to do is return is hash password equals blank. And salt. Or actually, salt. I haven't even begun to deal with salt yet. Eventually I will. And then I will fuck up everyone's passwords again. Pan lesbians rise the fuck up. Fuck yeah. Coral's pretty, especially monster corals. Okay, let's make sure nothing bad happens. Image not found, that's par for the course. I gotta get this update, Ash, so Tauksha can play the game. User's fine. Email. Dragon.pretty. Turquoise goji berry, that's my, yeah, alright. Okay, wonder if the reason is because I should probably have it. Wow, there already is a dragon 2. Okay, is there a dragon 3? Nope, alright, dragon 3 is available. These are my debug emails. Alright, user register. Your account have been saved. Alright, so as long as you don't use an email that already exists, because apparently it doesn't notify you. Are we out of music? What's going on? Dragon D's nuts, yeah. Alright, edit account information, delete, yes. Surely I can figure that out. I didn't mean take me to the manifest. Activity user modify. Okay, split you button. This is the same activity as sign up, right? I should make sure. Launch activity. Okay, there we go. Verify user. An error occur with verify. As soon as I make an error pop up, I think it should be good to build another update for you, and then hopefully you'll be able to register, Thoxa. And hopefully I won't break anything again. That's a lie. I will break things again. I really will. That's just part of the deal. I really do break things all the time, even at my own work. Sometimes you're born chaotic. When is the Merc date update? Merc date update is whenever you download it, Merc. So go to GitHub. Merc date update is when I'm about to send you the freaking invite to the Discord. Welcome to the club, Merc. In fact, you know what? Since we're kind of just debugging right now, I'm gonna go into the Kanojo general in case you guys want to ask questions directly. That way we're not dealing with text chat as much. So feel free to hop in there if you want a more direct line. I will not hear you if you come in, and I will probably scream. Okay, so where's the on click in here? There's got to be an on click activity, on click thing. Da, 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 da. Set on click listener, top sign up, top configure server, login, sign up. Okay, what does that do? User modify activity. Okay, so it is activity user modify. Show context actions, rearrange tag attributes. Kanojo user update button. Okay. Oh shit, is this a... Oh, it's a when statement. That's allowed. We're in Kotlin. Closest thing to a switch, but it actually just turns into an if else. Fucking why? Why do I have to be yandere dev? Result code request modified. If email equals null and binding, why not if just the email equals null? OMG, no. No what? Switch layout. Well, Merc, here's the thing. The app right now won't allow you to sign up because it's broken piece of shit. So I'm working on getting it so it's not a broken piece of shit. I'm trying. I'm trying to figure out how to make it. I think technically right now it would work, but I need to make sure that it I need to make excuse me, I need to make sure that it you gotta go to bed. Damn, lemon liquor. Fuck, the limoncello got you. Alright, there might be another. It is sleepy slut hours. It's getting towards my sleepy slut hour. Add clarifying parentheses. What is that? Sign up task. Hey, there we go. Good night, Doxa. I hope you have a good rest. It was always a pleasure to have you here. I mean, it's always a pleasure to have you here. Speaking. Yeah. Okay, but like, what do I do in background? Right. On post execute. More of me having to. This has to do with the other me not having a single unified way of dealing with errors from the server. I need to make a strategy for that and then stick to that strategy. All right, well, thank you. I think I'm just gonna... I think I'm just going to build it as is now. Or maybe I should wait till tomorrow, and because I'm gonna maybe stream tomorrow anyway. Like I said at the start of the stream, and I'll say this again now in case, because a lot of people have come and gone. Tomorrow I may or may not be streaming. It might shift to Thursday, it might remain tomorrow, but with the current state of Kanojo and whatnot, I'd rather not wait a week to work on it again as normal stream schedule. I might have Wednesday or Thursday be another day for this. I have to think here. I'm not starting the whole handle all errors right now. That is too much to ask. So what do I do? This doesn't do shit. If it's not successful, it just doesn't do me shit. What's 403? All right, response. Let's see. 404 not found. Response.500. $200 successful. Okay. And that's 403. Okay. No, that has all of its codes. Yeah, it straight up won't do anything. Not sure if that's my fault or what, but how do I handle this? Alright, well, let's go to the server code here. Right? Sign up. Okay, account sign up. There we are. If it exists, okay, so code 400. Email is already in use. Sends an alert. Code 400. Wait a minute. Get code and show alert. Shouldn't that do something? If queue is empty, response code, else get code and show alert. Whoa. Get code, show alert. Response equals no. Response get code. Log D, third has finished. Okay then. Response is null and reason is null. All right, when is queue empty? Interesting. Private get MQ is empty. All right, what's mtask queue? Okay, so if the... Alright, this is just a fucking set of bullshit. The queue. Offer mdelete user holder. This thing shouldn't be doing more than one task at a time. It's 210. Result 210. Base interface dot. All right, now we're getting somewhere. It seems to me that the cases in which it would be, it's just not written well. It's a lot of spaghetti code, and of course my spaghetti started getting added on top of it, and my spaghetti is a fine highway of deliciousness, but it's on top of this asphalt of shit. I want spaghetti now. This is why I can't have nice things, because I have to scroll to the side to make sure that... I like spaghetti too. Spaghetti, really nice. Modified device. Okay, there we go. Got the codes. We've got the codes. Okay, so there's a lot of old code in here. I get that. M listener 2. Alright. Decoration usages. Well, what do you do? Image job, M scope, load bitmap. Alright, well that's fucking garbage. I don't give a shit about that. Why would I... No wait, that's the thing above it. My stupid head. Big Napo complete. Oh shit. I will hydrate. I hope you enjoyed your nap. I'm gonna have to go to bed soon, but I'm adamant to start this. I have been procrastinating on this for over a year. This task on over a year. It is time I Do not hold back anymore. It's something that's just gonna require a lot of brain power. And this image job may not need to be run during a registration, as there will be no profile picture to load. Get from the server. Okay. All right. Dialog interface code 200. Delete user. Log out. What the fuck? What a weird fucking... It code and show alert. Listener.onDismiss. Base activity of this code. Why a space? If word does not equal null. All right, so if I can rule out that this queue thing is a load of garbage, I can simplify this. But the queue being empty has to do with using this queue variable directly. Handlers. What does offer mean? Inserts the specified element into this queue if it is possible to do so immediately without violating capacity restrictions. When using a capacity restricted queue, this method generally prefers for add, which can fail to insert an element. Alright, then what's this? The status holder. But are we querying anything out of the queue? Like, there's a lot of shit here, sure, but like... How often are we querying this thing? We're not even querying it! If queue is not empty. Oh. I'm still confused why we need a queue for tasks. There shouldn't be that many tasks. No, I don't think more than one task should be running at a time on this page. Like, what are we... What are we doing? Like, for real, what are we fucking doing here that requires this? Alright, delete user holder. Go to the fucking status holder, you shit. Okay, key equals 0. Loading equals what the fuck? Okay, I'm thinking it's a load of shit. Because it's not actually registering any like actual tasks. It's just putting in little things that are like related to tasks. I'm failing to see why that is necessary. This thing. Okay, well, you're useless. Why do I bother? Is the number 6 used anywhere else? Nope. Alright, well, we got rid of something today. Ain't that nice? Alright, so verify, delete, update. Why would it be verifying? That's like a base activity thing. Register Facebook and Twitter. I don't give a shit about. Number 4. That's a key code. Key event dot something. That's my go to bed alarm. But I refuse. Key event dot. And it was 4. Well, no, it was like. It's key code back. That's 4. Oh my god. rewrite all of this. Oh my god, I was thinking that at one point. It's not like I'm not still kind of rethinking that. The reason all these are highlighted yellow is because we're not supposed, and that's crossed out, is because we're not supposed to use those anymore. So says the android gods! I'm breathing. I scared the shit out of myself. Echo, thank you for giving Merc a gifted sub. You've given him 3 months of gifted subs? What the fuck, dude? You don't need to do that. Oh, thank you so much. Whoa, I was really in the zone there. Alright, so I'm pretty sure this Q shit is full of garbage. I don't think any task is gonna be running very long. We're in modern computing now. We ain't living, we ain't lasting that long. So what I'm willing to do, or at least try, is instead of dealing with, oh, is the queue empty? What I'm gonna do, since it's already in on post execute, I mean, how many async tests are in this file? 1. Really? 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 We do love Merc. We appreciate Merc in this Twitch community. It is bedtime. Shut up. I'm dealing with shit, and I'm very close. I am very, very close. If response equals no, not gonna deal with that. This code. Alright, or it doesn't equal no. Alright, so then throws Barcode Kanojo exception. Where from? Where is this throwing a Barcode Kanojo exception from? I see. But that's if the response equals null, and if there wasn't a response to begin with, then there would never be a code. So we'll be fine there. Self-love from 37. What? Did I do that or Did I miss that, Claudette? I'm sorry. I love how full of determination I am right now. And this is jacking me up better than any high or coffee could ever do. Alright. That just gonna simplify this because who gives a shit? Ugh. Yeah, this mlist.key, eh? Mlist is a status holder. It's not even a list. I hate the original developers of this with a burning passion. Sometimes. Alright, moment of truth. Let's rerun this. Piece of shit. I'm totally going to have this handled. I have this, I have this, I have this. That should do it. You installing or? If this doesn't work, then I'm gonna put this on hold till tomorrow. Email already in use. Oh, baby, yeah. Ah, feels good, man. Feels good. Let me make sure though that I can sign up. I did it. Okay. Uh. I'm gonna hide that for a moment as I take this window and put it over there. Actually, I might as well just like call it here and just you don't need to all see me again, just upload shit without you guys seeing it. What fucking window is that? Oh, well, it's gone now. Oh. So I guess the question is now, who do we raid? Cause it's time to end. Well, looks like Dixie is in the middle of heavy freaking Eldan ring. Big spooky. Don't want to spoil you guys. We'll be nice and chill to send you guys off to. You know what? Gamer Goblin Gary is having their 1-year anniversary, and they're a pretty cool dude. So, you know what? Let's go on and raid them. They're playing some game, and it looks pretty damn neat. So you should all go check them out. Hope you all have a good night. Thank you all for sticking with my craziness in here. Sleep well and bye-bye. You're welcome, son.